Hi, my name is Bailey Curry, and today we will be doing the Google Calendar tutorial. I will go over how to set up your Google Calendar in your Google account, how to import your Moodle calendar to your Google Calendar, how to share your calendar with others, as well as how to create a Google Hangout using Calendar. First, we will go to Google Calendar and go to the one that says Agenda. And if you don't already have a Google account, you will create a Google account. If you do, then you will click on yours and type in your password, push next, and it will sign you into your Google Calendar. So this view shows the entire month of August, and you can go over here to where it says month, and there's one that says day, week, month, year, schedule, 4 days. I like to keep mine set on month because I can see things that are due in the next couple weeks, the next week, the next day, or that have are due that day, and I can see them all together and see what I have coming up and stuff. So next we will sign in to the Louisiana Moodle page, and we will scroll down to our Kines 205 class, and you will see on the right hand corner it says calendar, and you will click on August 2020. This will bring you to a calendar of your class, and you can scroll down and push export calendar, and this will show you that you can export all events from the university or events related to your courses. And then you can do it for next week, this month, next month, recent, and next 60 days, and a custom range. So we will click events related to courses and recent and next 60 days. And from there we will push get calendar URL, and it will bring up a URL link, which we will then copy. And so once we have copied that, we will then go back to the Google Calendar page, and you will see over here where it says My Calendars and has my name, birthdays, reminders, tasks, and then it says Other Calendars. And you can click on Add Other Calendars, and it says Subscribe to Calendar, Create New Calendar, Browse Calendars, Form URL. Well, we have a URL, so we're going to click From URL, and we will paste the URL. And you can make it public for everyone to see, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to keep it to where we can see it. And you'll push Add Calendar. So since it said calendar added, we will go back out of the settings, and you will see that there are all of our assignments throughout the next couple days in the semester will be on there. Next, we will be looking at how to share with others. So if you have somebody that is asking to see what your schedule is and you want to share your calendar, you go over here and where it says My Calendar, and it has your name, birthdays, reminders, tasks, like I previously said. You will go to your name, go over here to the three little dots, and it says Options for Bailey Curry. We will click on that, and it'll say Display this only, Settings and Sharing, and then all these colors. We will click on Settings and Sharing, and this is where you can share your calendar with whoever you would like, and you can go over here to the side and push Share with Specific People. So it will bring you down to this, and it has my Google account name right here, and we can go and push Add People. And there are other emails here that you've previously emailed to, and I will go to my Moodle or my UL Outlook email, which is right here, and you can push Send. And so if you don't have a Google account, or if they don't have a Google Calendar set up, then you can send it, and you can push Invite, and it will invite them to make a Google Calendar where they can see all of your events coming up on your Google Calendar. So we will push invite, and the invitation has been sent. Finally, we will show how to create a Google Hangout using Google Calendar. So we will go back to our big view of our calendar, and you'll go right here under the calendar where it says create with a little sign, and it'll bring this up. It'll show all this different stuff, and you can push more options, and we'll make one. We will say teacher video call, and then it has like dates, times. We'll have it on do not repeat, and you can go right here to add Google Meet and Google Hangout conferencing, and you'll do locations and how long, and you can put if you're free or busy or not, and then over here how you send it to that person. You push add guest, so I will just do it to my Louisiana email, and there are different permissions that you can give the guest, as like modify event, invite others, see guest list, and this is something that will show up on your Google Hangout call. And we'll push save, and you can send the invitation to the calendar guest. And so where it was set on August 1st, see, it is right here under my teacher video call. And that is just about everything you need to know about Google Calendar. Thank you.